Tired of jumping between 5 different AI tools to finish one project? Easy-peasy AI aims to fix that by offering an all-in-one platform for content creation, writing, and even visuals, all in place. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, student, or small business owner, Easy-peasy gives you access to over 100 AI templates from blog posts, emails, and YouTube scripts to product descriptions, resumes, and ad copy. Just pick a template, write a quick prompt, and the AI gets to work. One highlight is the doc chat feature. You can upload a document and ask questions like, summarize this section, or what are the main points? It's a huge time saver when dealing with long or complex files. The platform also supports AI image generation. It's not as advanced as Midjourney or DALL-E, but it's handy for quick banners or creative drafts. Pros: super beginner-friendly interface. Covers most everyday content tasks. Saves time by combining multiple tools. Affordable compared to using separate platforms. Cons: image generation and some outputs are pretty basic. You might need to manually tweak complex content. Not ideal for advanced technical or data-heavy writing. So is Easy-peasy AI worth it in 2025? If you're looking for a simple, versatile AI tool to speed up your daily content tasks, then yes. It's not meant to replace experts or advanced platforms, but for quick everyday productivity, it really lives up to its name.